Let us see a problem in Lorentz series. Okay, this is our f of z. So we have to find Lorentz series in three different regions. In three different regions: 2 less than mod z less than 3, mod z less than 2, mod z greater than 3. It is our f of z. You know, right? Listen here. We can use partial fraction method only when the degree of numerator is less than degree of denominator. But here the degrees are same. So if degrees are same, or if numerator degree is greater than the denominator one, we have to divide. So let us divide z square minus 1 by z square plus 5z plus 6. So I should write here 1, so that z square into 1 is z square. Other terms. When you simplify by changing sign, it is minus 5z minus 7. That's all. This is our remainder. Because here it is z square, here it is z. It is, the degree is less. So this is our remainder. So the given function can be written as, we know, right? Quotient plus remainder by divisor. Quotient plus remainder by divisor. Take LCM and check, you will meet this term. Okay. Now taking minus sign common, this is our term. Now the degree of numerator is less than degree of denominator, where partial fraction can be applied. Okay. This is z plus 3 into z plus 2. Linear factors. The degree of denominator is 2. Degree of numerator is 1. So partial fraction can be used. Okay. Let us mark it as 1. They have asked us to expand this function as a series. Let us expand this function as series. We come and substitute it here. We will get the answer of this function. Okay. See, let us take the term a by b by. Both are linear factors. Take LCM. The usual method, find the values of a and b. Substitute it here. Now, this is, we have to expand both terms as a series. Okay. And you know condition. To expand these terms as a series, we have to get x. What is modulus of x? Which is less than 1, right? So we have to get, this is our region. So from this region you have to get what is your x, so that you can use binomial expansion. 2 less than mod z less than 3 can be written as 2 less than mod z, comma mod z less than 3. Since I need less than 1 the inequality, I divide both sides by mod z. 2 by mod z can be written as modulus of 2 by z. Similarly, here I need less than 1 inequality. I divide both sides by 3. Hence, modulus of z by 3 is less than 1. You can see it is 2 by z, it is z by 3. This is our x. This is our x for this term, and this is our x for this term. So, we have to get 2 by z here. We have to get z by 3 here. To get 2 by z, you have to take z outside. Take z outside. 1 plus 2 by z. To get z by 3, you have to take 3 outside. Z by 3 plus 1. Keep 8 by 3, take this term to numerator. Keep 3 by z, take this term to numerator. Now both are ready to use binomial expansion because modulus of these two are less than 1. Let us use binomial expansion, which completes problem. Right? No. This is, we have got answer of this part. Substitute this in here. Here 1 minus. Substitute this 1 minus. I have to multiply here with minus, here with plus. See? Because minus there. Here minus outside. You go through equation 1. Which completes this first subdivision. See, second subdivision. Modulus of z less than 2. Since to use binomial expansion, less than 1 is the inequality needed. Let us divide both sides by 2. So, modulus of z by 2 less than 1. So, you have to do 3 subdivisions. For this function, for 3 different regions, you should expand it as a series. See, first one over, right? First one over. For first one, very easy. We have got, for both terms, we have got modulus of x. But here, listen here, second subdivision. With this, we have to get for both terms. Mod z less than 2. See? Mod z less than 2. So, modulus of z by 2 is less than 1. So, first term is First term is ready to modulus of z by 2. This term is ready. Now we should get this z plus 3, right? You should take the same mod z less than 2, right? Mod z less than 2. Since divide both sides by 3, 2 by 3 is 0.667, which is less than 1. You have to identify how it should be, how it can be less than 1, okay? You have to think and do. So first term, it should be z by 2, and here it should be z by 3. You can see, in order to get z by 3, take 3 outside. In order to get z by 2, take 2 outside. Take this term to numerator. Use binomial expansion. Binomial expansion can be used only when modulus of this part is less than 1. That's why we have done these two, okay? Next, third subdivision is mod z greater than 3. So we have to get, there are two terms actually. For both we have to get mod z from mod z greater than 3 the condition. We have to get condition from mod z greater than 3. Let us rewrite it as 3 less than mod z, because less than 1 is the inequality needed. Mod z greater than 3 is 3 less than mod z. 3 by mod z is less than 1, or modulus of 3 by z is less than 1. Okay? Here take mod z greater than 3. 3 less than mod z. 3 by mod z less than 1. But I need with 2 the term, right? 2. You go through 2. I multiply both sides by 2 by 3. I multiply both sides by 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is less than 1. Hence, modulus of 2 by z is less than 1. So here, I should get 2 by z. Here, I should get 3 by z. 3 by z. See? 2 by z, 3 by z. Take. So, both terms are ready to expand it as series now. After finding answer, substitute this answer in our first equation. Which will complete problem, okay? Dear students, let us see the continuation of Lorentz series problem. So f of z is given. You will have to expand this function as a Lorentz series for the region 1 less than mod z less than 3 and mod z less than 1. Let us take, please verify whether the values of a and b are true by partial fraction method. A by z plus 1, b by z plus 3, a is 1 by 2, b is minus 1 by 2. Please confirm by partial fraction method. I do for first subdivision 1 less than mod z less than 3, which is 1 less than mod z less than 3. Since to use binomial expansion we need less than 1 the inequality, let us divide both sides by mod z, here by 3. Hence this can be written as modulus of 1 by z. This can be written as modulus of z by 3. So both are ready. Here it is, I need 1 by z form. Here I need z by 3 form, so that I can use binomial expansion. In order to get 1 by z, take z outside. In order to get z by 3, take 3 outside. Now keep this 1 by 2z outside, take this term to numerator. Similarly, take this term to numerator, bring this 2 down. Both the terms are ready to use binomial expansion because modulus of these two are less than 1, which is the answer. Second subdivision, mod z less than 1. Already it is mod z is less than 1. So this part is ready to use binomial expansion. Take simply the term to numerator and use binomial expansion because mod z is less than 1 already. So we have to use the same region to find this part z plus 3. Mod z less than 1. Since I have 3 there, I divide both sides by 3. What is 1 by 3? 0.333, which is less than 1. Hence modulus of z by 3 is less than 1. So this term is ready to expand as it is because mod z less than 1. Here we have done mod z by 3 less than 1. I need z by 3. So take 3 outside. Take this term to numerator. Take this term to numerator. You can see this is ready to use mod z is less than 1. Here it is less than 1 binomial expansion, which completes this problem. When we come to fourth problem, I have done by partial fraction method. I have found answer of a and b. I think I need not explain, right? I hope you can do partial fraction method. After finding, we have to expand this as a Lorentz series. They have given mod z plus 1 less than 1. Mod z plus 1 less than 1. Assume u is equal to mod z plus 1, so that mod u less than 1. When you change the given region to u, you have to change these two in terms of u. Z is equal to u minus 1. Z is equal to u minus 1. So this is the term. Okay. Let us take mod u less than 1. Already mod u is less than 1. It is ready to use binomial expansion. Simply take a negative sign outside, 1 minus u, which is ready to use binomial expansion. Here we need, right, the same mod u less than 1. Since I have 2, I divide both sides by 2. Okay. Mod u less than 1, which implies there is a mistake. See, divide both sides by 2. 1 by 2 is less than 1, right? Modulus of u by 2 is less than 1. Modulus of u by, divide both sides by 2. So here it is u by 2. To get u by 2, take 2 outside. Here it is u. Have u this side, okay? So that you can use binomial expansion. After this, here it is. You can see, take 2 outside. It is ready to expand by binomial expansion, both. See, finally get answer in terms of z, okay? We know what is u. U is z plus 1. Get answer in terms of z. Second subdivision, put z plus 1 equal to u. Hence, 1 less than mod u less than 2. You have to change f of z in terms of u. Z is equal to u minus 1. Now 1 less than mod u less than 2 becomes 1 less than mod u less than 2. So from this 2 you can easily understand. Here it should be 1 by u, here it should be u by 2. Take 2 outside, it becomes u by 2. Take u outside, it becomes 1 by u. So you should know, listen here, very easy it is if you understand. To use binomial expansion, 1 minus x or 1 plus x whole power minus 1, the term x should, modulus of x should be less than 1. To get such less than 1 inequality, you should know what you should do, okay? That is the thing. Take the term to numerator, expand, finally get answer in terms of z, okay? Let us see fifth problem by Lorentz series. There are 2 subdivisions, mod z greater than 3 and this one. Take f of z. Do by partial fraction method. A by all are linear factors. Take LCM. Give values to z. Give values to z. Put z 2 so that you can get B answer. Put z minus 1 so that other 2 become 0, you can get C. Similarly, after getting ABC, substitute it in the first equation. F of z. Now the first subdivision is mod z greater than 3. We need inequality less than 1. Less than 1, right? Let us rewrite it as 3 less than mod z. Divide by z. Divide by mod z. So modulus of 3 by z less than 1. When you come here, see, I have modulus of 3 by z. Here I have z minus 2, z by plus 1. There is no 3 by z, okay? We cannot get 3 by z form. We can get 2 or 1. So let us do, when 3 by z is less than 1, let us multiply both sides by 2 by 3. Multiply both sides by 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is less than 1. When you multiply both sides by 2 by 3. So this part is ready now. Okay. This part is ready now. 2 by z. Actually we got 3 by z. But we need 2 by z or z by 2. We tried and we got 2 by z. Divide both sides by 2 as well as multiply both sides. Multiply both sides by 2 as well as divide both sides by 3. 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is less than 1. It is ready. And take this for the next term. For the next term, it is z plus 1. I should get z as it is or 1 by z form. 1 by z. Mod 2 by z. Divide both sides by 2. 1 by z. 1 by 2 is less than 1. Right? Now both part is ready to do. Keep this term as it is. This cannot be expanded as series. Being simply z. Okay? So it is z into. Take z outside. Here z outside. So that both terms are less than 1. If you feel difficult, you leave it. Okay? It cannot be explained more than this. Second subdivision. When it is z plus 1, z minus 1, some different form, you have to use substitution. Put z plus 1 equal to u. So this is the region given. 1 less than mod u less than 3. 1 by mod u less than 1, mod u by 3 less than 1. This is the one obtained. Let us check both can be used in the series. 1 is 1 by u, sorry, I need in terms of u the series. Get in terms of u the series. This cannot be explained, okay? And these two, this cannot be expanded, sorry. This cannot be expanded being u in the denominator. These two can be expanded using these two. We should get 1 by u, take u outside. You should get u by 3, take 3 outside. If you take 3 outside, u by 3 minus 1. But we need 1 minus u by 3. So take negative sign also outside. Take the terms numerator. Now both are ready to expand. Use expansion. After expanding, don't leave, okay? I have forgotten. Please get answer in terms of z. U is z plus 1. Please get answer in terms of z, okay? Let us see next problem. Expand Lorentz series of f of z about the point z equal to minus 2. Listen here. If it is a Taylor series, you can easily do, right? But Lorentz series about the point. And I told you already while doing Taylor series video. In Taylor series, if they ask you to expand about z equal to minus 1, you will get answer in powers of z plus 1. You go through Taylor series, using theorem we did some problems, right? You go through and you can see if they ask us to expand Taylor series in terms of z equal to minus 2, our answer will be Taylor series in powers of z plus 2. It is similar here. In Lorentz series, if they ask us to about Taylor series, Lorentz series about the point z equal to minus 2, we get series in powers of z plus 2. Therefore, z equal to minus 2 become z plus 2 equal to 0. 0 is less than 1, right? So, modulus of z plus 2 is less than 1 is the condition. We have to create condition. 0 is less than 1. That is why. Put z plus 2 equal to u. So, modulus of u is less than 1. This is the condition. With the condition, we should try this problem. Take this. Do by partial fraction method. You please verify your answer, okay? You verify your answer. See, z plus 2 equal to u, z equal to u minus 2. U minus 2 plus 1, u minus 2 plus 2. This cannot be expanded, simply u in the denominator. This can be expanded easily, mod u is less than 1 is sufficient. Take simply negative sign, 1 minus u. Already mod u is less than 1. So 1 minus u whole power minus 1. Binomial expansion, it is over. Okay, get answer in terms of z. See, last problem in series, expand it as Lorentz series, okay? It is Lorentz series. My expand in Lorentz series. Lorentz series in the region. Take this, do by partial fraction method. Consider the region 0 less than mod u less than 1. When it is z minus 1, z plus 1, z plus 2, etc. Do substitution. Get inequality as well as what is z in terms of u. Because these two are to be changed in terms of u. 0 less than mod u less than 1. This cannot help us, okay? Leave it. Mod u less than 1. After changing z in terms of u, this cannot be expanded being simply u in the denominator. Binomial expansion is not possible. This is simply take minus sign outside. 1 minus u. Take the term to numerator. Already mod u is less than 1. Binomial expansion is possible. Get answer in terms of z. And these are the homework problems. These are the homework problems. Okay. Homework problems. You please try. And if you feel still difficult, I told you, if you think it will confuse other headings, leave it. Do you know? The remaining headings in the unit are very easy. The remaining headings in the unit are very easy. Already we have completed the heading that was easy, right? Definitely there is a question from Taylor series, Lorentz series. So if you feel still difficult even after, I have done 7 problems, even after 7 problems of Lorentz series, then it will be difficult to understand to you, okay? Simply leave it, you need not worry. It will come only in part B, that you can leave it in choice, okay?